Yo! What's up YouTube? It's Roy here from Mini Aesthetics. And ngayon, medyo mabilis lang tong video na to. It's about my new diet. OMAD. Kung familiar kayo sa OMAD, ano siya ng 1 meal a day. 1 meal a day. OMAD, di ba? Kung napanood yung previous video ko, intermittent fasting, sabi ko mag-intermittent fasting na ako. And yung intermittent fasting na yun, 16 hours fast and 8 hours eating window. So sa OMAD, intermittent fasting pa rin siya, pero mas intense. Kikwento ko yung experience ko maya-maya. So, yesterday nag-start ako mag-OMAD. Ang OMAD is 23 hours fast and 1 hour eating window. Yung 1 hour eating window na yun, hindi siya sobrang konti ang kakainin. Hindi ganun yun. Yung 1 hour eating window na yun, kailangan ko kainin lahat ng calorie needs ko. For example, 2,100 calories ang kailangan ko. Diba? Kakainin ko yun ng 1 oras lang. Gets, diba? 1 hour kakain ka, sobrang dami. May enjoy mo. And next day, yung tulog mo, sobrang sarap. Sleeping like a baby. Sabi nga nila. And yesterday, medyo nag-struggle ako sa first day ko kasi yung fast from previous day, 4 meals lang ako from 16-8 intermittent fasting. So, yung food ko nagda-digest throughout the day. Nung next day, medyo hindi ako full, di ba? So, medyo naparami ako ng kape and ayun. Pero kanina umaga, kagabi pa pala, sobrang sarap ng tulog ko. Hindi ko alam, sobrang lalim, ganun. Yung alam niyo yung feeling na sobrang busog nyo, tapos bigla na lang kayong nakatulog. Yung lalim na ganun na tulog. Okay, so, yun lang naman, kwento ko lang. And now, mabilis lang tong video na to. Ipapakita ko lang yung meals ko. Dire-diretso to kasi isang lutuan lang lahat. And yung mga oatmeal, madali na yun. My main meal is taco. Parang siyang taco, beef taco. Yeah, and my chicken breast. And my oatmeal and my cereal. Yeah, yun lang. May problema pala ako. After ko kumain, syempre, sobrang dami nun. Hindi agad-agad madadigest ng tiyan. So, morning weigh-in, mabigat ako. So, ang balo ko gawin is every Saturday, kakain ako ng 5 to 6 meals a day para mag-digest siya throughout the day. Normal diet ng tao. And Sunday, makita ko yung weight ko. Tamang weight ko, okay? So, I feel very lean na. Pero kanina, mabigat ako. Pero ang lean ko. Diba? So, physique update lang muna tayo before tayo mag-dive right in sa mga meals natin. Okay, so, physique update. Focus ba? Bang. Bang. Sobrang tight na ng waist ko. Nakikita nyo. Yun. Oh, lumalabas na yung 5 and 6, oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yup, and yung obliques ko medyo deep na rin. Yun lang naman. So, let's dive right into my first meal and my last meal. Let's go.
Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes on the prize. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You gotta want it with all your might.
Okay, so step by step lang tayo. First meal, cookies and cream oatmeal. 1 scoop of whey, 1.5 scoop of synthesis whey. 3 Oreos and 100 grams oatmeal. Let's try. Let's break the fast. Damn! Paborito ko to sobra. So, try nyo siya. Papanoorin nyo yung intermittent fasting video ko nung nakaraan lang. Tinuro ko kung paano to gawin. 1.5 scoop of whey, and 3 Oreos. Lagyan nyo tubig. Ikot-ikot. Tapos hanggang matunaw yung Oreo. Tutunaw yan eh. And then, lagyan nyo siyang oatmeal. Kahit hindi nyo nailuto, okay lang yun. So, ka-crush ko lang to and let's dive right into our second meal. So, second meal of the day, Honey Nut Cheerios with milk. Same bowl na rin. Siyempre gusto mo yung lasa ng cookies and cream pa rin. Nandyan pa rin yan. Okay, so busin ko lang to. Medyo konti lang siya. Kasi kahapon, dinamihan ko yung mga oats and dinamihan ko yung Cheerios. Sobrang namatay na ako. Sobrang nabusog na ako. Bago ko pa maubos yung tacos ko. So, medyo kinuntian ko na lang to and tinasan ko na lang yung meat. Dinamihan ko na lang yung meat. Busin ko lang to. This is my second meal. And time check, 8:23 na. So, nag-start ako kumain mga 8:10. Mabilis ko lang inubos yun. Medyo konti lang yun. Babawi tayo sa karne mamaya. So, busin ko lang to and let's dive right into our third meal of the day.
Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight.
So now we are down to the second last meal of the day. Second to the last meal of the day. And it's tacos, baby. Yep, 4 tacos. Beef tacos. The best yan. Lalo na kung may seasoning. Kung beef lang, boring. Lagyan nyo naman ng seasoning. So, yeah. Better than pancake house. Let's go. Let's crush this meal.
Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes on the prize. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You gotta
Chicken breast and mild salsa lang. Yeah, yun lang. This is my last meal of the day. And my total macros lalagay ko dito. And yan lang naman. I'll get back to you guys pag natapos ko na to. There we have it. Ubus na yung meal. Woo! So, last thing to talk about. No, ang app na ginagamit ko is Fast Habit. Yan. Pe-press nyo lang start fast and magka-count na siya. Para kung nagno-notify rin siya kung tapos na yung fast mo. Para hindi ka na tingin ng tingin sa oras. Punta ka lang dito and ayan, alam na kung kailan ka nag-start. 9:22. Kakatapos ko lang kumain. 9:22 and tomorrow 8:22 ako. So, yun lang naman. Free lang siya sa App Store. Yeah. Para lang maka mo yung fasting period mo. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like this video kung nagustuhan nyo man. Kung ayaw nyo, okay lang naman. And hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. Kasi, kailangan na-notify kayo sa mga posts ko, di ba? Pero, okay lang naman kahit hindi. Pero, mas maganda kung pindutin nyo na yun. Pero, yun lang naman. Thank you for watching. And, as always, I'm here to vlog about my life, brothers and sisters. Let's go! Let's keep this real. Let's keep this life going. And, I'm looking forward sa day 90. Day 79 pa lang ako ngayon. And I still got 11 days more to go. And hindi ko sure kung bala ko siyang i-extend dahil Spartan race, medyo mas marami ako ini-intake na calories para sa training kasi sobrang intense din ang training ko. Yeah, I'm doing lots of cardio, strength training. So, hindi ko ina-advise sa sarili ko na mag-lose ako ng sobrang daming weight kasi pagdating sa Spartan, baka bigla akong walang energy. And pag nag-carbo load ako, baka mag-store ako ng sobrang daming glycogen. So, yun lang naman. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like this video again and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace out. Let's go, our crew. Let's go!